Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to clear RAM memory and optimize performance of your Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus smartphone. To do that, we're gonna have to open Settings on our phone, then scroll down to Device Care menu, open it, and then select Memory in here and let your smartphone check your memory. Then you'll be able to clean it by tapping Clean Now. Then your phone will erase all the applications running in the background. And right now we have just cleared 3.9 gigabytes of RAM memory. We can also extend the RAM by selecting the RAM Plus in this menu and extend our RAM capacity using virtual RAM. To do that, you're gonna have to select a higher value on the list and then restart your phone to apply these changes. And that's basically it. So that's how you clear your device's RAM memory in a couple of clicks. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.